Top 5 AI skills to learn in 2026. As we venture into 2026, the landscape of artificial intelligence is evolving at a breathtaking pace. The need for individuals well-versed in AI is more pronounced than ever. Hence, understanding the top 5 AI skills to acquire can be pivotal for anyone aiming to thrive in this high-tech future. First on the list is machine learning. This foundational skill focuses on algorithms that enable computers to learn from and make predictions based on data. In 2026, proficiency in machine learning will not just be advantageous, but essential. As businesses seek to automate processes and derive insights from vast amounts of data, a firm grasp on machine learning techniques will set you apart. Next, deep learning is gaining remarkable traction. As a subset of machine learning, it enables machines to understand complex patterns through neural networks. This skill is crucial for developing applications ranging from image recognition to natural language processing. In 2026, mastering deep learning can open doors to innovative projects that push the boundaries of AI technology, making you a significant contributor to futuristic developments. The third skill to embrace is natural language processing, NLP. As AI continues to improve its ability to understand and interact with human language, NLP becomes increasingly important. It involves designing algorithms that allow machines to comprehend, interpret, and generate human language. With the rise of virtual assistants and chatbots, expertise in NLP will be a key asset for engaging users effectively in a conversational manner. Furthermore, ethical AI knowledge is rising to prominence as society grapples with the implications of AI technologies. By understanding the principles of ethical AI, including fairness, accountability, and transparency, you can help shape the development of responsible AI systems. This skill empowers you to contribute positively to the ethical considerations surrounding AI deployment, making it critical for 2026 and beyond. Lastly, data analytics remains a cornerstone in the AI field. Proficiency in analyzing and interpreting data can unlock valuable insights that drive informed decision-making in various industries. As data continues to proliferate, the ability to draw actionable conclusions will enhance your leverage in any AI-driven environment. Learning data analytics will provide you the tools needed to thrive among a data-rich future, ensuring you remain at the forefront of AI advancements.